Three, two, one. Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to another Jared Food and Drink Review. Today, I'm reviewing something special. I was gonna do one yesterday, but I ate it all before I could fully. I was fucking hungry yesterday. Had a hamburger from HelloFresh. Shit was good. Have another meal from HelloFresh though to make up for it though. That's why you're getting this video today. We got. Oh, I don't want to spill. Oh, barbecue and pineapple flatbread pizza with green onions. God damn. As soon as I said that, I almost fucking spilled. Let's give it a test. Let's give it a. Let me give it a try. Trying to find with some green onion. No? That's fucking good. Got my glass of milk here. Washes down perfect with a glass of milk. And I also got for my breakfast, because you get a breakfast item as well. You can get like a protein shake, or like you can get a Misfits cookie butter plant-based protein bar. Let me check how many calories. Oh, goodness gracious. 190 calories. Oh my God, why am I voice cracking so much? God darn, dude. All right. Nutrition facts: serving size a bar, 50 grams, 190 calories. Let's crack it open, shall we? Now it looks exactly like oh goodness, a granola bar. Basically it is, but it's plant-based. Let's give it a try.
How do you like your pizza?
I love it.
You haven't ate much.
Yeah, because I'm doing a review right now.
Oh.
I'm recording the video. Let's give it a try. Mmm. 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 Fucking amazing. I'm gonna save this for later, till after I finish my dinner. Because if I don't do that, it's gonna be bad. I'm not gonna finish my pizza. And I love me a good pizza. Anyway, I'll see you guys for another review. I'll see you guys.